In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight table rows and columns in WPS Office. Highlighting rows or columns is an essential tool for making your tables more organized and visually appealing. By adding color to specific sections, you can emphasize important data, separate different categories, and make your document easier to read. Whether you are working on a report, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, this technique will help your tables look professional and clean. To begin, open your table in WPS Office and decide which row or column you want to highlight. Start by selecting the entire row or column. Once the selection is made, right-click to access the formatting options. In the menu that appears, look for the shading option. You will notice a small drop-down arrow next to shading. Click this drop-down to reveal a selection of colors that you can apply to your selected row or column. From the drop-down menu, choose the color you prefer. Once selected, the color will be applied immediately to the row or column, giving it a highlighted effect. This method is quick and straightforward, and it works perfectly for users who want to emphasize specific parts of their table without navigating through multiple menus. Another way to highlight rows or columns is through the Home tab. After selecting the desired row or column, go to the Home tab located at the top of your screen. Here you will also find the shading option. Click the drop-down beside shading to see the available color options, then select the color that suits your preference. The row or column will instantly update with the chosen highlight color. Using the Home tab method is especially helpful when you want to experiment with different colors quickly or when you prefer accessing formatting options from a centralized location. Both methods give you full control over the appearance of your table and allow you to create visually organized and readable documents. Highlighting table rows and columns can improve the clarity of your data and make your tables easier to understand at a glance. It also adds a polished and professional touch to any document, which is particularly useful for reports, presentations, and shared files. Once you have highlighted the rows or columns, you can continue editing your table or document as usual. The changes are applied immediately, so you can see the effect and adjust if necessary. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.